Hi, M5979. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all my employers. I am PB Kates Diga Sanggan, born on February 22, 1994. I am 31 years old and Roman Catholic. I'm married, but I'm separated with healthy, good children, ages 8 years old and 7 years old. My work experience is helper in Saudi Arabia, 5 member of family, the 2 couples, and the 3 children at age of 2 years old, 3 and 4 years old.
Other household chores that you do.
I will do housework and all around I will clean, washing, ironing, and cooking for the vegetables for the children.
Okay, by the way, your highest educational attainment.
My educational attainment is I'm college, but undergrad, my course is computer engineering.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know how or do you have an idea how to prepare milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will do first. I check the temperature, and if hungry, I will check, and the diaper I will check also, and I will change.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything, what will you do?
I will call attention for the parents.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work Hong Kong because I want to give good future for my kids, for my family also.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer want me.
So it is okay to extend your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
But it is okay to you to learn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I will uh, I will check in YouTube, sir.
Okay, you could watch on YouTube. And also you could buy some recipe books so that you would learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
If your employers have prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay to you to work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Will message for my future employer is I am hardworking. Please hire me. And I am intelligent. I am kind. And I am honest. And I want to be a part of your family. I will take care of your kids and also your family. So like my children and my family also. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss PD. Thank
Thank you.
you.